right, boys. Well, I am up in Castle Pines. We just did a trade. I had a utility quad, rear-wheel drive Honda 4-track with a plow on it. So we brought it up with my trailer that I flipped, which I'm very happy I kept. And we got this, I think 2007 Fleetwood pop-up, and we're gonna try to sell it for profit. We'll say we're in at 750 bucks. So this is my brand new $750 camper. And I do have to say the Tundra is handling it well. Okay, well I got it home and just popped it up, just barely leveled it out so we can kind of take a look inside. Y'all have seen already the jankness of this interior, kind of like random plywood, and it's kind of a shipwreck. And I found a head unit for a car and a speaker, but I guess the password, which is 1234. And my phone just connected, so we were like randomly just playing some Brennan Lakes out here, which is so weird. And they're like not bad speakers either. One thing about this camper is it doesn't have an awning, so I went and bought just a little 10x10 like fake awning so I can list it with it. Now we get to deal with this interior, which isn't as bad as I originally thought. Just needs some cleaning and help. A lot of it. By the way, I bought a new camera. So this is my new camera. It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then right there's my old one. Hey, a bag of bags. This is actually really valuable. You can't get plastic bags in Colorado anymore. So I'm happy about that. A couple sleeping bags, hose, plastic bowls. Nice, a couple tarps. Oh, this is really cool. We have the owner's manual. This is the stack of papers to literally everything. To the roof rack, to the stove, to this upgraded heater, to these speakers. Oh, sick. This guy goes right there. This is where I found this grill in here, which I'm gonna set up in a second and probably try to sell outside of it. Along with, we have this picnic table, which folds out from inside of here. Off the scariest compartment, which I have not opened yet. Oh, that's bad, but I'll take that any day. 50 cleaning, I guess. We'll start on this side and move over. Okay, there we go. I got this entire side cleaned up. Everything's good in here, ready to be folded down. Took some pictures of it, so I'm gonna pop it down and we can list it. I'm not expecting it to sell right away, but could definitely sell soon. Okay, so it's been sitting for about a month. I dropped it down to $3,000 just to try to get it out of here because I'd rather use that money on bigger trailers and make more videos versus it sitting in the camper. So someone offered me 2,500 bucks, and they were gonna come here and get it from New Mexico, and I said I'll do $2,750 and I'll meet you halfway. So realistically I could have said I'll do full price and meet you halfway, and I probably could have gotten it. No, I was just ready to get rid of it. So tomorrow we are driving to the New Mexican border. It's about 3.5 hours. Everything's loaded up and ready to go. We're about halfway. Beautiful sunrise. Getting some gas here. I really love driving in the dark. I don't know why. Especially if like sunrise or sunset is coming and the sun's not shining me in the eyes. Sunrise has gotten immaculately better. All right, there it goes. I'm in New Mexico. Just sold it to the guy in the Jeep. Let's go home now. I find it funny. This guy gave me all 20, so it just looks like I'm a drug dealer now. But $27.60, I'll take that. That means I made $2,000 in profit on the $1,900 because I probably spent $100 in gas getting down here. I'm going to go find an ATM though, because this is not a very nice town. We met in a abandoned place, so I'd rather get this into a bank versus drive around with it. Okay, so now we can do a little bit of cost analysis. So the original quad was 750 bucks that we paid for and fixed up. The title transfer is 28 bucks. The delivery and pickup gas was around 94 bucks. Miscellaneous stuff such as cleaning supplies and all that was 25 bucks, which makes our total investment $879, which makes our total profit $1,853 bucks. So that's not too bad for all of 12 hours of work. I'm pretty happy with that flip. Anyways, we got more trailers coming up really soon. Summer's close, so subscribe for more trailer content, and I'll see you later.